Are you feeling overwhelmed by a tidal wave of items you no longer need in your storage unit? Worry not, because today we're shining a spotlight on the ultimate solution: zero junk removal and their professional storage unit clean-out service. Let's face it, having a storage unit is a great convenience until it turns into a dumping ground for things we no longer want or need. Whether it's old furniture, forgotten treasures, or just plain junk, no one wants to pay for a storage unit filled with items that have lost their value. Enter Zero Junk Removal, providing an easy and safe storage unit clean-out service so you can bid farewell to the hassle of pickup and disposal. We take care of the heavy lifting, literally. Our team will remove all your unwanted items without you having to lift a finger. Plus, rest assured, all qualifying items are either recycled or donated, contributing to a sustainable and responsible clean-out process. What makes us your local storage unit clean-out solution? We believe in a personalized approach. Our junk removal team will come out, completely clean out your storage unit, and then work with you to decide what stays and what goes. Whether you want to load up items into your truck or neatly restack them in your unit, we've got you covered. So if you're in San Jose and facing the daunting task of cleaning out your storage unit, let Zero Junk Removal handle the heavy lifting and make the process a breeze.